Dr. Doy Leachon is one of the leading voices in calling for a better pandemic response in the country. And his brother, Oriental Mindoro Representative Doy Leachon, is proud of what his kuya is doing. Dr. Doy had posted this on Facebook. The lawmaker shared it on social media, giving the public a glimpse of their life as a family. According to the legislator, Doc Tony became their father figure when their dad passed away. In the same post, Doc Tony paid tribute to his brother lawmaker.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.